Get excited about the 2011 Lexus LX 570. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, illuminated running boards, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and power front seats. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Lexus's comprehensive certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.